Understanding Roll Call Vote in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase used in political contexts: roll call vote. This phrase is often heard in parliamentary or congressional settings, so let's dive into what it means and how it's used. Stay tuned to understand this term better. Roll call vote refers to a voting method used in legislative assemblies. In this process, each member's vote is recorded individually, often by calling out their names one by one. The key here is individual accountability. Each member's vote is public and recorded, unlike secret ballots. This method ensures transparency and is often used for important or controversial decisions. Understanding the significance of a roll call vote helps in comprehending political discussions. It's a tool for transparency and accountability. Lawmakers cannot hide their positions on issues, making it a vital part of democratic processes. It's also a way for constituents to track how their representatives are voting on crucial matters. Let's see roll call vote in action. Imagine a debate in Congress over a significant bill. After discussions, a roll call vote is called. Members' names are called out, and they respond with yes, no, or abstain. This process is often televised and recorded for public record, making it a public display of democracy. While roll call vote is a political term, it's sometimes used metaphorically in everyday English. For instance, in a meeting, someone might say, "Let's have a roll call vote to decide on our next team outing." This implies an open and transparent decision-making process, where everyone's opinion is heard and noted. And that wraps up our exploration of roll call vote. I hope this video has helped you understand this important political term and its relevance in English conversations, especially those involving politics and governance. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which they're used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.